so welcome back into our class. So last time we have tackled about converting fraction into decimal. Do you still remember that one? I hope so. So for today's lesson is all about rounding decimals into a whole number, into the nearest tenths, and into the nearest hundredths. But before that, let's try to look at this vocabulary. First, we have decimal, decimal. 2, we have rounding, rounding. 3, we have nearest, nearest. 4th, we have midpoint, midpoint. Last, we have whole number, whole number. Before we're going to discuss our lesson for today, let's have a review first into our number line. So, our number line, you can see that our midpoint is 5. So we use this one to see if we can round the following numbers given or not. So from 0 to 4, we have to study or go back to the original numbers given. But if the number has 5 or started in 5 to 9, then we can round the following numbers given. So let's take a look at this first example. We have 20.056. The number there in tens place is 0. So where can we round it off? So we're going to use our number line. Since 0 is the given number, are we going up to 21 or are we going to study to 20? We are going to study to number 20 since 0 is lesser than 5. Another one, we have 20.60. So what is the number that is in tens place? It is 6. Very good. So is it lower than 5 or is it higher than 5? So if it's lower, then we need to study. If it's higher, then we need to round it off. So what do you think is our answer? Very good. So we need to round it off. So our answer would be 21. Very good. How about if we're going to round it to the nearest tens? So if we're going to round it to a whole number, we need to see the number in the tens place. So now, if we're going to round it to the nearest tens, we need to adjust also. So we need to see the number in a hundredths place. So like for example, we have 4.83. So we are going to see the number in the hundredths place. So since the number in hundredths place is 3, so are we going to round it off or we're going to study to 8? Very good. So our answer would be 4.8. How about this example? 15.264. So the number in hundredths place is 6. So you can see in our number line that 6 is higher than 5. So are we going to round it off? Very good. So our answer would be 15.3. So next we have to round it into the nearest hundredths. So how are we going to round these numbers or this decimal into the nearest hundredths? So we need to move again we need to see the number in a thousands place. So like for example, we have 35.262. So 2 is our number in thousands place. So are we going to round it off or we're going to study? Very good. So we are going to study. So our answer there would be 35.26. So I hope you understand our lesson for today and see you again next time.